Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the physical and network basics right. Power on the NVR and connect one PoE switch or camera to the same subnet. This lets devices auto-discover. Assign a static IP or DHCP reservation so the recorder keeps a stable address. This prevents lost connections when routers reboot. Configure storage. Understand camera bitrate and retention goals, then size drives accordingly. Add 1/5 extra for logs and overhead. Once done, move to camera discovery and firmware checks. You now discover and configure each camera. Run the NVR search, add cameras using credentials, and select the mainstream for quality and the substream for remote viewing to save bandwidth. Configure frame rate and resolution per scene, lower frames for static scenes, higher for fast motion. Set recording schedules and motion sensitivity to balance storage versus capture needs. Update firmware on both NVR and cameras to fix bugs and improve compatibility. After updates, reboot devices and verify video streams. You finish by securing access and validating operation. Configure remote access using the recorder's P2P service or set a router port forward with a VPN for safe access. Always use strong, unique passwords and disable unused services. Enable alerts and test them. Motion, tamper, and disk warnings should reach your phone or email. If video drops or cameras vanish, reboot the NVR first. Then verify each camera's IP and PoE power. Review system logs to pinpoint firmware or network conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.